So since the recording mode is on, so I won't be clicking onto that red button again. Okay. So over here in Mozilla Firefox, suppose say I want to open and I want to test about the eBay application. Okay. So I would give the name over here for the website, and after that I need to search for some things, say LED TV. Okay, and then okay, let me also select the categories. So I want to select it in consumer electronics, and then click onto the search button. Okay, now I'll open the Selenium, stop the recording. Now can you see over here, I told you that whatever steps we would be executing, those all steps would be coming up, the script related to those steps would be coming up over here. Okay, so firstly we tried to open the application, then after that we have typed something, okay, that was LED TV, okay, and we typed at some particular position, okay, so it has taken the position over here, something of this sort. We will discuss about the target, that is the target. Okay, can you see over here, it is being segregated in three parts. That is, the first part is the command, the second one is the target, and the third one is the value. We are not discussing anything about these three uh, things right now, because it will take a bit time to understand it. Now after that we have selected from the drop down some consumer electronics was selected, and then after that we clicked onto the search button. Okay, so we have clicked somewhere. Okay, now let me try to execute it again. Okay, we have recorded the things. Now let me replay it back. Okay, or you can say execute the steps again. Now over here, can you see that? Okay, let me maximize it. There is a bar present over here with the name fast and slow. Are you able to see that? And there is a green button also which is present. By default it is in the fast mode. Okay, this means that whenever you are going to execute any of the test case, it would be executed in the fast mode. Okay, now if I want to execute it in the slow mode or in the moderate speed, okay, so I can, if I want to execute the test case in the moderate speed, so I can put it in middle between the fast and slow, or if I want to make it bit more slow, so I can put it over here. Okay, then the test case will be executed with a slow speed. Okay, not the slowest, but with a slow speed. Okay, and now I will execute it. So for executing the test case, there is an option present over here, that is play current test case. Okay, so click onto that option. See, eBay website will get loaded. Then after that, the second step will be executed. Okay, we have typed the LED TV. Okay, you are not able to see, the selected the consumer electronics and then click down to the search button. Okay, let me try to replay it again, and then you would be able to see that there are some changes in the color also for the steps, or you can say for the script which is present over here. Okay, just tell me what all colors you can see over here onto the scripts. Okay, I'll execute it again. Did you notice the colors or the color changes, I would say? Yes, what all were the colors you were able to see? Okay, green. Then Kavita, yellow also. Okay. See, there was a yellow color also. Correct, Anuja. There was yellow color also which was present. See, let me put it more slow, to the slowest actually, and then execute it. Okay. So, oh, it's not blue. Pachai and Tasneem. See, there is no blue color. I don't know how you are able to see blue color. That is a, you can say, the pista color. Okay, that's a very light green color which is present, but it's not blue. This one? This one you are talking about, Tasneem? Under it? No, no, no. This is not the color. This is actually not the step only. Okay. Okay. So over here, we were able to see two colors. Okay. One is the yellow color and the other one is the green color. I don't know whether you have noticed this thing or not, but whenever a particular step was executed, okay, that step was available in yellow color. Okay. And if that step was executed properly, okay, then the color has changed to light green. Okay, but when it was in the executing mode, it was in yellow color. Kirti, did you notice that? Okay, that's good. So whenever any of the steps are executing, when they are under execution, then the color of the step would be yellow, and after it has successfully executed, then the color changed to green for that particular step. Then for the next step it was again yellow since that step was under execution. Okay, so in this way you would be able to replay the test case that you have recorded. Okay, now if you want to, okay, and also you can see over here, see the whole test case is now shown in green. This means that the execution was done properly without any hurdle or without catching any of the defect. Okay, so it was done in a proper manner. And also over here you can see that the run is 1. This means that this test case is executed properly. It is shown in green. Okay, so there is one test case only which is executed properly. Okay, and we have actually captured a single test case only by this time. Now, if we have to save this test case, then over here there is an option of a file. Okay, you can click on to that, then save the test case. I'm sorry, save the test case. In the desktop. Okay, let me give it the name as, I'm saving it in the desktop only. Okay, and this is for eBay, so let me give it the name as eBay. Okay, and save it. Now can you see over here, this test case is saved over here in this eBay. Okay, double click on it. You would be able to see that it is again opening in the Mozilla Firefox only, and now it is being opened in the HTML format. Okay, and if you are able to figure out, see what all steps were generated, or the script that was created over here, it is the same which is getting saved over here. Okay, and also one more thing to be noticed over here is when you save the test case of Selenium ID, okay, see over here, it is showing the image of Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so it will be saved with the image of Mozilla Firefox, and when you will try to open it, it will be opened in the HTML format. Okay, so here it is in the HTML format. Okay, so did you all get that? How to record any of the test case and then replay it, and then after that you can also save the test case. Okay. So once we have saved the test case, the name of the test case would also be appearing over here also. Okay. Now I'll tell you that how you can download the Selenium IDE on your system. But before that, make sure that you are trying to download it only in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so for that you need to have Mozilla Firefox. If you don't have Mozilla Firefox, first you need to install Mozilla Firefox. Kirti, yes, we can do it for multiple inputs, but for now we won't be able to do that, okay, because this is just the starting. We have done only a single test case, okay. So now pay attention over here, everyone. What you will have to do is, in Mozilla Firefox only, I'm again and again saying that you have to do the things in Mozilla Firefox only, okay. If you don't have Firefox, first install it and then you will be able to install Selenium IDE, okay. Now in Mozilla Firefox, there is you need to open a website, that is seleniumhq.org. Okay, so here it is. Okay, pay attention over here, everyone. Don't do the things with me. I'll send you the name. Okay, and you can try to download it after the class and make sure that you have done the things before coming up to the class, because it will hardly take some 5-10 minutes. It will be done fast. Okay, so seleniumhq.org is the name of the site which I have sent you all in the chat box. Now over here in seleniumhq.org, there is a option present over here for downloads. This is the name of the tab. You need to click over here to download. Then scroll down in downloads. You must be getting Selenium IDE. Okay, you have to download the latest version of Selenium IDE, that is 2.9.0. Okay, click over here. Okay, I think I have certain steps also. Okay, hold on for a second. Okay, so did you all got the steps? See, these are very detailed steps that I have given you. You need to first open the Selenium HQ website, hq.org, okay, and over there is a tab present named as download. In that download tab, you need to go over here to Selenium IDE. Then you need to click on the latest version which is present, that is 2.9.0. Click onto that version. It may ask you to grant the access. Okay, so it will give you some message like Firefox prevented from this site, asking you to install the software on your system. Okay, click on allow button over there. Okay, after it is like it will take some hardly a minute. okay, to install. Then after that it would pop up a window wherein it will ask you to install all the add-ons. So then click on install now. Those are add-ons which it would be asking for will be the different scripts that I told you would be supported by Selenium IDE. Okay, do you remember that we have discussed about the different scripts which are supported by Selenium IDE? That is C Sharp, Java, Perl, Python, Ruby. Okay, so it is actually asking you that you want all those scripts or not. Okay, so click on install now. Then it will ask you to restart and again open your Mozilla Firefox, and then when you are again opening the Mozilla Firefox, then you would be getting an icon over here with the name as Selenium IDE. Okay, and for some of them maybe the icon is hidden somewhere, so you need to go to the tools. Okay, and over there in the tools there would be an icon for Selenium IDE, but I don't have any tool option over here, so I can't tell you about it. I can actually show you about it, but if it is not present over here, Selenium IDE, then it is surely present under the tools option. Okay, so these are the simple steps via which you can download Selenium IDE. Okay, so do you want these steps in mail? Like, do you want me to mail all those things to you? Okay, then I would be needing your mail IDs. Okay, all those people who want me to send the mail. Hasna, you want me to unmute you? Okay, hold on for a second, Hasna. Let me. Okay, give me your mail IDs one by one. Let me just. Kirti. Tasneem, then Sakib. Lalita. Hasna. Sajanya. Tara. Then it's Pachi. Samantha. Okay. Anandita. Prasad, I have taken your mail, right? No? Okay, sorry, I thought so. No, I have taken your mail, see? It's Kirti. And Parimala. Okay? Okay, then, see, tomorrow we will be having a class at 9 p.m. Tomorrow is Tuesday, so we'll be having at 9 p.m. And make sure that you all have downloaded and installed the Selenium IDE. Okay? Okay, Kirti, you did it. Good. I told you it's very easy. Okay. Then I think we can close up the session for today. We'll see you all tomorrow at 9 p.m. Parimala, I send you the link, right? Oh, the link for the... Okay. Yeah, I'll send it to you. I thought you were asking for the mail for Selenium. Okay. Yeah, we'll send that. Okay then. Thank you everyone. Have a good night.